Hey, what's going on everybody? FuntageryBM here, back with another video, and today we've got a very exciting little review style, unboxing style video for you guys. Today in particular, we're going to be diving into the world of mic arms, and in particular, we're going to be checking out the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. LP standing for low profile. As you'll see later, you'll understand why it's called low profile. I will get into that as the footage, progresses, and you'll kind of see as it goes on. A lot of people have called this thing a game changer, and I have been needing a new mic arm for a very long time. As people on my stream know, if you guys haven't already, by the way, go check out my Twitch, twitch.tv/FuntageryBM. I'll have it on the screen or down in the description. Feel free to follow me and keep up to date with us. So the reason I really needed a new mic arm is just I had the Blue Yeti Compass, or whatever it was called, the Blue Compass mic arm, and it was nice, but it just wasn't quite what I needed. It didn't have set up where I was able to have it set up where I could easily talk into it, or work around it where I could use my mouse and keyboard still. So this thing looked like it was going to be a perfect match, and we're gonna dive into whether or not it is. So let's get into it. All right, so kicking things off with the unboxing experience. So first off, you'll be greeted with this little pamphlet just kind of going over what it is and the pieces and parts that are included, whatever. So as you can see, you got the desk clamp that you can install basically anywhere on your tabletop, desktop, wherever. Then you have your adjustability basically, which I'll be showing off here in a second. So as you see, very nice metal design, very small and compact, easily movable. It's super smooth. As you can see, there's Allen wrenches that you can adjust as well if you need to make any adjustments. Here is just a little kind of baggie that you guys get with it as well. Kind of just includes some adapters to make it work with most microphones. So I think there's a 1/4-inch adapter, and there's also a 3/8 adapter. So it pretty much can adapt to any microphone. Some microphones might not work with it as far as I'm aware, but as you can see, there's the Allen wrench that I was talking about, so you can actually torque out some of the screws, or make some adjustments if needed. Here is that desk clamp that was mentioned in that little pamphlet at first. So as you can see, it's got a decent size, so it can fit really any tabletop or desktop, as I was saying. It's very versatile, and it's very nice if you have multiple layers on your desk. So maybe like changes layers or like heights on the bottom of your desk or whatever. So you can actually adjust that. It's got that bigger plate, so you can actually grab onto things much nicer instead of maybe a smaller circular disc that most mics might have underneath. Very sleek and professional. Love the matte finish with the metal design. It's very nice and makes setting it up very pleasant. But as I was saying, one of the standout features with the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP is its exceptional build quality. The all metal construction just makes it so durable and nice and stable for you. I'm not sure of the exact weight with the Audio-Technica AT2020, but that is the microphone that I have. It's the microphone I've been using for a couple years now, and I've had really no problem with it. But like I said, with my old mic arm, it almost felt like it wasn't able to support the weight. But this mic arm has already improved tenfold, because I'm using that to make this commentary right now over this unboxing/review style video. And oh my god, just perfect. I mean, future Matt, say hi. Hi. But everything just feels so solid and secure, and it's just surprisingly easy to adjust. Very versatile. Like I said, you can basically adjust it as you need, and it can the extension out basically can go up a full 90 degrees or down a full 90 degrees. It is insane how versatile and unique this design is. It really makes it for basically any setup, whether you're in a home studio or a professional workspace. This thing has you covered. Cable management is the next step we'll go over. Wire kind of just goes through this little hole here that you can run your cable through at first, and then it basically has these magnetic little clamps that go over it, so you can easily take it off and change out a wire if you have to. If you have a new XLR cable that you want to install, or whatever cable you're using, you can easily take the clamps off and snap in some new wire. Easily done. Again, magnetic cable management device is just like something I haven't really seen before, as far as on like a mic arm. So again, it's very quality built, and I am absolutely in love. And of course, everybody loves cable management. My cable management in it isn't the best, as you can see. I kind of have wires going everywhere, and I'm sorry, but cable management is just, you know, something I've never done. I'm sure if I get enough views on this video, people are going to roast me enough, and I'll probably end up cable managing some point in my life. But regardless, this thing just you know, helps you tidy up your setup just a little bit if, you know, you're messy like me. It at least has a super easy cable management system in place for you, so thumbs up on that departure, that part as well. So again, I've been using this mic arm in order to record this whole commentary over this as well. So I mean, it's got super good quality, and as you can tell, I can have it much more closer to my mouth, and therefore making my voice much more clearer instead of being farther away and maybe producing more echo and whatnot like that. So I am very much enjoying that side of the microphone as well. Like I said, it can be set up in basically any way that you need it to be, so it is very pleasant and it has made me very happy that I finally jumped on this upgrade. So thumbs up in that departure as well, for just the performance, and the, you know, noise isolation is just top tier. So after setting this up and getting my microphone attached to it and just simply recording this little commentary over this for this video, I could confidently say that this thing does in fact live up to its hype. Its sturdy build, easy adjustability, and thoughtful features make it a fantastic addition to any microphone setup. Whether you're a podcaster, streamer, or content creator in general, this boom arm is here to elevate your audio game. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile boom arm, I wholeheartedly recommend checking out the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. Link will of course be in the description. I am not being paid by Elgato to say any of these things. I'm not being paid. I was not gifted this product or anything like that by Elgato. I am just simply reviewing it, as I have been needing an upgrade like this for a very long time, and I'm very glad that I finally decided to pull the trigger and purchase this. So that's going to wrap up our review of the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. Again, I am using it right now. Can't really see it because it is so low profile. I mean, it's in the name. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the quest for 500 subscribers, so if you haven't already, feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. If you don't like it, it's a free refund as well. You know, maybe I'll do more kind of reviews and unboxing type videos in the future if that's something you guys would like to see. Sorry if it's a bit awkward. I've never done like this kind of video really, so I hope you guys still enjoyed it nonetheless. Hopefully I was able to portray how truly amazing that this thing is. I mean, it is incredible. I cannot stress that enough. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay fun. Peace. Bye bye.